Have you ever wondered how to generate passive income through an AI-powered blog? Today, we'll unravel the answer to that question and more. Imagine enjoying a steady stream of income through affiliate marketing, advertising, and selling digital products right from your blog. These are tried and tested methods used by many successful online entrepreneurs. You might have heard of popular AI-powered blogs like The Grid and Articulo. These platforms are stellar examples of how artificial intelligence can unlock a wealth of opportunities for passive income generation. Get ready to discover the path to financial freedom that awaits you. Imagine this, a blog that operates on autopilot, utilizing the power of AI to craft and publish high-quality content, optimize for SEO, and engage with its readers. It even generates income, all while you sit back and watch. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But with the latest in artificial intelligence, including technologies like GPT-3 for content creation and chatbots for reader interaction, this is not just a possibility, but a reality. The AI can churn out well-researched posts, optimize them for search engines, ensuring maximum visibility, and engage with your readers through personalized responses and comments. And the best part, all these happen seamlessly without you needing to intervene. This isn't a futuristic dream, it's happening here and now. The initial stage in creating an AI-powered blog involves selecting the most suitable platform. You have multiple options to choose from, like WordPress, which is enhanced with AI plugins, Wix ADI, and Ghost. Each platform is packed with unique AI features. For instance, WordPress with AI plugins offers intelligent SEO suggestions and content automation. Wix ADI uses AI to design customizable websites with unique content tailored to your preferences. Ghost, on the other hand, uses AI for tasks like content scheduling and social media auto-posting. Some of these platforms, like WordPress, even provide pre-written AI articles to give you a useful head start. The key is to pick a platform that aligns with your needs, is easy to navigate, and delivers the AI functionalities that are crucial for your blog. The second step is to design your blog. For an AI-powered blog, the emphasis should be on user experience. This involves implementing good design practices. For instance, you could adopt a minimalistic design strategy, which concentrates on simplicity and functionality to avoid any unnecessary elements that could distract the users. Moreover, you could ensure intuitive navigation with well-structured menus and links, making it easier for users to traverse through your blog. It's also crucial to ensure mobile responsiveness. Given the growing population of mobile users, a mobile-friendly layout is essential. It allows your blog to display and function properly on any device. Remember, your AI is going to be interacting with the users, so design should facilitate smooth interaction. This is where robust design tools come in. Tools like Canva, with its user-friendly interface and vast library of templates, and Adobe XD, known for its responsive resize feature and auto-animate, can be of great help in achieving your design goals. These tools can guide you in creating a blog that is not just visually appealing, but also highly user-centric and responsive. Next, to train your AI, you'll employ data sets, machine learning algorithms, and feedback loops. These tools help your AI understand your blog's main subject, identify the target audience, and adopt your preferred style of writing. You'll start by feeding your AI substantial data sets related to your blog's content. These datasets enable your AI to form patterns and develop a deep understanding of the topic. Following this, you'll use machine learning algorithms, which essentially teach your AI how to process this information and make sense of the data. Algorithms serve as a rulebook, guiding your AI on how to analyze the data and draw conclusions. Additionally, feedback loops play a pivotal role in training your AI. These loops allow your AI to learn from its mistakes and improve its content generation capabilities over time. Every loop forms a cycle of action, feedback, and improvement, making your AI smarter with each iteration. Platforms like TensorFlow and OpenAI greatly simplify this process. They provide pre-built environments that make training your AI a smooth and efficient process. The more you make use of these tools and platforms, the better your AI will be at creating relevant, engaging content. Now, let's explore how you can convert your blog into a money-making platform. There are several strategies you can leverage, but advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts are the most widespread. For instance, with Google AdSense, a popular advertising platform, you can earn an income each time a visitor clicks on an ad displayed on your blog. Another powerful strategy is affiliate marketing, where you can partner with Amazon affiliates. Here, you will earn a commission each time a visitor makes a purchase via a product link on your blog. Then, there are sponsored posts. Successful bloggers often have partnerships with brands willing to pay for a product review or a special mention in a blog post. Now, looking at the potential earnings, Google AdSense can fetch you anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per click, depending on ad and the competition. Amazon affiliates, on the other hand, pay commissions ranging from 1% to 10%, depending on the product type. Sponsored posts can be the most lucrative, ranging from $50 to several thousands of dollars per post, based on the blogger's reach and the brand's budget. Remember, each strategy has its strengths and weaknesses, and it's crucial to choose the one that aligns best with your blog's content and audience. Lastly, to continuously optimize your blog, the value of analytics is indispensable. Tools such as Google Analytics provide in-depth data on your blog's performance, helping you understand your audience better. Regularly reviewing this data allows for necessary adjustments, honing your blog to suit your readers' needs. Furthermore, it's crucial to conduct A/B testing, a method used to compare two versions of a web page to determine which one performs better. Tools like Hotjar are instrumental in this process. Keeping the AI up to date is essential as well. Regular AI retraining with the latest information ensures your blog stays relevant and effective, accommodating the constant shifts in trends and audience preferences. To recap, the journey of constructing an AI-powered blog involves several key steps. Firstly, choosing the right platform is essential. Whether you opt for WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace, your foundation should be solid. Secondly, you'll proceed with designing your blog. This might involve selecting an appealing theme, deciding on the layout, and customizing feel of your blog. Now comes the riveting part. You'll start training your AI. You might use machine learning algorithms or natural language processing techniques. Remember, the more you train your AI, the better it will become at creating captivating content. Moving on to the next, you'll dive into the world of monetizing your blog. You might look into affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or even creating your own products. Lastly, you will engage in a continuous process of optimizing your blog, analyzing user behavior, SEO optimization, and making necessary tweaks and changes. The process might seem daunting at first, yet once mastered, you'll command a potent tool that can generate a passive income stream for you. So, visualize a future where your blog operates autonomously, captivating readers and generating income, while you observe its growth. That future is here, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Now, it's your turn. Harness this power, explore these platforms, tools, and techniques. Forge an AI-powered blog that works for you. Remember, your imagination is your only limit. So, ignite your dreams, initiate your plans, and begin constructing your AI-powered blog today.